Hey, young man, I see you flying by yourself today.
Yes, we're going to see my Auntie Ivalin in Farin.
Okay. Well, if you need anything, just let me know. You're such a big boy.
Yes, Mummy never want to send me by myself, but me say, what are you, Mummy? You know, send me a big boy, me can handle it, Mummy.
I see. Well, just give me a shout if you need anything.
Me good man, me just gotta sit here and listen to me music. Once me have me music, me good lady.
What you say? You're grown. Later. Jenna Bones, Jenna Bones, Jenna Bones, Jenna Bones, Jenna Bones. We are drop a bomb.
Wait there, I always say bomb.
Bam!
A
Some
bomb
we are
them
go dead!
real.
We are go dead!
No, the
What
killers
is
gonna
it?
go on.
You
You
feel
fi
beat
beat
them!
them, beat them. Whoever
Beat
say
them
bomb,
up!
you not say bomb and a play. You know say you can't say bomb and the people go bomb.
I ain't joking! I ain't joking!